रिश्ता के सेट पर सबसे इविल कौन है? ये आई एम श्योर आपको
ईवल यार पता नहीं, ईवल तो वो होगा जिसने ट्रांसफॉर्मर में आग लगाई, क्योंकि उसी ने रोहित को मारा है, तो जो सबसे ईवल है।
आपके साथ अनफेयर हुआ ऐसा लगता है आपको?
नॉट एट ऑल, नॉट एट ऑल, कब बिल्कुल नहीं लगता है। इनफैक्ट मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I've got 3 times more love. मेरे को 3 months बोल के I got 9 months of work. So I'm like, मतलब this is like I would say that I'm so grateful and thankful.
राजन शाही के बारे में जो कहा जाता है वो कितना सच है? जो उनके बारे में नेगेटिव चीजें और ये सारी चीजें।
Yeah, to be very honest with you, I have not read a single article which is anything negative about him, and I don't know why people talk about him. Like, you know, ऐसे सवाल भी मुझसे क्यों पूछे जा रहे हैं? Because come on, like he's a man with a golden heart. Hi, this is Romit Raj here, and I'm doing what fans want to know with India Forums.
Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Okay, so Pramito is asking you, any chance of he coming back to Rishta like Rohit alike, like Rohit look alike or something like that?
Oh.
So this is being proposed by a lot of fans that उनको रोहित का look alike बना के वापस ले आओ शो पर.
That's so sweet. Thank you so much for praying for me. Fans like you know, have gone to temples. It's very, very heart stirring, and it really connects me with you guys, making this bond very special. So thank you for all the love. You never know. अभी तक तो मुझे कुछ पता नहीं है इस बारे में, but yeah, it's a beautiful thought, I would say. Yeah, I think I'm sure it's going to get very interesting if I come back as a Rohit lookalike. But ऐसा कुछ है नहीं.
Right. Okay. One more question she has asked, and that is, what do you miss the most from Ye Rishta show and why?
I miss the entire set, the entire team, being a part of the Podar family. You know, I miss that. Because in real life, the family is very small. There are only 3-4 members in the family. But when you're in that real life, you know, in half an hour, when you go from your own house to the Film City set, on the Ye Rishta set, you have 25 members family. You have a 200 people set. So I miss that big time. I really, really miss that, because I'm a very people's person, and I love everyone, you know, like the entire family. I'm going to miss everybody.
Right. Okay. My Happy Placed has asked you 3 or 4 questions, I guess. So the first question is, रिश्ता के सेट पर सबसे evil कौन है? ये आई एम श्योर आपको
ईवल यार पता नहीं, ईवल तो वो होगा जिसने ट्रांसफॉर्मर में आग लगाई, क्योंकि उसी ने रोहित को मारा है, तो जो सबसे ईवल है. बट अदरवाइज कोई ईवल नहीं है. एवरीबडी इज वेरी स्वीट, वेरी नाइस, एंड everyone comes there professionally, they work. Of course, the emotional connection which everyone has formed, it's amazing. It's like there's no waste of time. Everybody gives them their best, and we all off camera have a great laugh and enjoy ourselves thoroughly.
Right. Okay. Another question from the same person is, राजन शाही के बारे में जो कहा जाता है वो कितना सच है? जो उनके बारे में नेगेटिव चीजें और ये सारी चीजें.
Yeah, to be very honest with you, I have not read a single article which is anything negative about him, and I don't know why people talk about him. Like, you know, ऐसे सवाल भी मुझसे क्यों पूछे जा रहे हैं? Because come on, like he's a man with a golden heart. I think everyone who's working with him, everyone knows from. आपको एक बात बताऊं मैं, एंड टुडे, आज के बाद फिर आप लोग कभी ये सवाल पूछना ही मत, मतलब इसलिए मैं ये जवाब दे रहा हूँ. जिस दिन मैं ये रिश्ता के सेट पे गया था, जो मेरा मेकअप मैन जो पाटिल जी थे, वो मेरे मेकअप कर रहे थे, और फिर वो हेयर ड्रेसर एक आई थी, यू नो, फॉर सम रीजन शी वाज आल्सो स्टैंडिंग देयर, एंड दे वर ऑल वेरी हैप्पी कि मुझे कास्ट किया है एज रोहित, एंड मुझसे बात कर रहे थे, और वो मुझसे कह रहे थे कि आपको पता है हम लोग फर्स्ट एपिसोड से हैं, टेक्नीशियंस, यू नो, ऑल ऑफ देम. और वो कह रहे थे कि यहाँ पे किसी को भी निकाला नहीं जाता है. राजन सर ने आज तक किसी टेक्नीशियन को, किसी एक्टर को ऐसे निकाला नहीं है, एंड कोविड टाइम्स में भी उन सबको पैसे मिले. ये कितनी बड़ी बात है, आप सोचो. मतलब सबसे बड़ी बात इंडस्ट्री में यही है कि एक प्रोड्यूसर जो है अपनी टीम का ध्यान रखे. व्हाई डज एनीबडी से कि यू नो वो प्रोड्यूसर जो है वो बेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर है, बहुत अच्छे प्रोड्यूसर? इट्स बिकॉज वो अपनी टीम का ध्यान रख रहे हैं, उन्हें प्यार कर रहे हैं, एक हर फेस्टिवल मना रहे हैं. यू नो, अगर सेट पे अगर फेस्टिवल मनाया जाता है या हवन किया जाता है, इट्स सच अ ब्यूटिफुल थिंग. एंड you know, there are lunches which happen, everything costs money, right? But you know, they spend that money out of love, out of care. This is this is what makes him good. This is what makes him great. This is what makes him, loved by everybody. And I think, you can't fake it, right? Puri team,
Absolutely.
yeah. And there are so many people who want to work with him. Everybody wants to work with him. And show hit hai, very frankly, that's God's blessings, right? It's every producer wants their show to become hit. But how many producers are paying their team like this? And कोई भी कौन है कौन सा वो producer है जो मतलब my payments and other payments अगर हमारी ड्यू डेट अगर 15 तारीख है, the money has come before 15th. आप सोचो मेरे साथ आज तक कभी भी ऐसा नहीं हुआ. So obviously ना हम दिल से कहेंगे कि he's my favorite producer. It's amazing working with him. When you're getting love, you're getting respect, you're getting money, before time. और क्या चाहिए? So I don't understand why people say negative or why this. And the best part is this, that the media also comes on the sets of Ye Rishta, that they all admit the fact that Rajan sir is such an amazing person, and they all know it, that it's such, everyone who's blessed, I think, is a part of DKP family.
Right. Okay. Third question from the same person. रोहित या मोहित, आपका फेवरेट को स्टार कौन है? मोहित मालिक.
Rohit Purohit is my favorite.
Okay. Okay. So Anokita has asked you, ये रिश्ता को स्टार के बारे में कोई नेगेटिव चीज सुना था, बट रियलिटी में वैसा नहीं. मतलब अच्छा कोई ऐसा कोई कैरेक्टर जिसके बारे में आपने, या ऐसा कोई पर्सन जिसके बारे में आपने ऐसा तो सुना था कि दिस पर्सन इज लाइक दिस, बट व्हेन यू वेंट एंड व्हेन यू शॉट दैट पर्सन वाज, व्हेन यू मेट दैट पर्सन, that person was totally opposite.
For which show? Ye Rishta or
In general, both the shows.
for Anupama and Ye Rishta?
Yeah.
No, it's never happened like that. Like touchwood, जब हम अनुपमा की टीम भी इफ्तारी पे हम लोग मिले on the sets of Anupama, Rupali ji and the entire cast and crew of Anupama, Shivam for that matter, he's like a younger brother to me. We all met so warmly, so they were all so welcoming, and it's like Anupama and Ye Rishta is like under the same umbrella, DKP. So
Right.
it becomes a huge big family, and I think it becomes a very special night. And
Right.
and that camaraderie, that I would say, that warmth and love was being completely showcased. I would say it was being beautifully being, we were all actually, that was a wonderful night. I think it was a night under the stars, you could say, that all of us having a good time at Iftari. And I think every time we go on the sets of Anupama also, it's beautiful. We've shot a couple of times there, and the show is number one, touchwood, and the vibes there are also good. It's always nice to shoot with them, and whenever we've got an opportunity to be a part of Anupama team, it's always nice.
Right. Okay, Anukita is asking, Shivam Kajuria played Rohit before you, and now he is doing Anupama as the lead. आपने अब, because you also played Rohit now, will you also be the next lead of any other show?
Keep praying, and I strongly believe that दुआओं में बहुत power होती है. So I want to face the camera, and if I get a lead, it will be a total blessing, because when you do a lead in any show, that means you get more scenes. I look at it from that perspective. I look at it from that perspective, that you get a character which is like, today, if I was the lead, I would have not died on the sets of Ye Rishta. Then the story would have been different, right? I think Arman would have sat here and spoken to you. So if I'm playing the lead of another show, I think I'll get more scenes, and I'll get more, more opportunity to showcase my talent. So I would love to play a lead, and to play a lead in a Rajan sir's show, I think will be a dream come true, and it's surely on my bucket list.
Right. Last question. आपके साथ अनफेयर हुआ ऐसा लगता है आपको?
Not at all, not at all. कब बिल्कुल नहीं लगता है. In fact, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि I've got 3 times more love. मेरे को 3 months बोल के I got 9 months of work. So I'm like, मतलब this is like I would say that I'm so grateful and thankful. It's like this, that if I had 1 day of work, I would have been super happy. I was promised 3 months, and I got 9 months. So this is like big time, आप बोल सकते हैं कि I'm very, very happy and how it went. And I got so much of love from you guys, from all the fans. And I'll always be this connection which has been formed. I think it's forever. And I love you guys for that.
Thank you so much. Thank you.